Hey guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam bam. Today I'd like to give a whoop whoop to Shannon Armstrong. You're the first to comment on one of my last videos, so girl, I see you see me, so I want people to see you. So whoop whoop to you. Today's video is going to be that demo that I promised you guys. I already had it recorded, but I just wanted y'all to ask. That is so petty. Oh, did I say it out loud? I did. But I already had it recorded. But I just wanted y'all to ask. Is that messed up of me? Whatever. It's okay. I just wanted to see if y'all wanted to see it. But if you wanted to see it, then here it is. So this is going to be that demo of that marshmallow root leave-in conditioner that I made probably a couple of weeks ago, or I don't know how long ago this video had came out. So here is the demo. If you guys okay, you guys, here is my marshmallow root, and I really don't know what to call it. It's a leave-in conditioner because there's so many things in there, but I also try to make it like a gel, but this is the consistency of it. It smelled like wood chips. So if you don't want like a wood chippish smell, then you might need to put peppermint oil in there. But this is the texture of it, you guys. It had so much slip. It was so, oh my gosh, it was so moisturizing. It gave me about a cup and a half of leave-in conditioner. If you guys watched my other video on how I made this mixture, then you will see that I did put flaxseed in there, so that's why I said it's kind of like a leave-in gel, but I didn't put near as much flaxseed in there to give it a hold. This is literally just a leave-in conditioner, but just trying to show you guys the texture of it. I should have put it in an applicator bottle, but I need to go to the store to get an applicator bottle because it will literally make my life easier. But my hair is freshly washed, deep conditioned, detangled, and I do have it in these 4 sections. And I'm just going to apply the mixture to the left side of my head. I wanted to see what like curls or if it was going to make my pattern pop or something, but it gave it a nice light wave. But I think that's just the way that my hair is. Like, most definitely, if you try to go in with this to do like a wash and go, if you have hair like mine, it's not going to give you a wash and go look. But if you have hair that's a lot lighter than mine, or like up in the 3s to the 2s, then this will most definitely give your hair some hold. But for my hair to have hold, I had to tie my hair down. So on this left section, I applied it straight to my hair just to see what the product was going to feel like on very clean hair. And my hair absolutely sucked the product up. As you guys can see, it is not sitting on my hair. It is actually going straight into my hair strands. And with me having low porosity hair, you guys know that that does not happen often. So I'm going in a couple times, getting more and more product. A little of this stuff goes a long way, which I've learned because I've done this a couple of times, but I'm really trying to get the texture right for the product, like what texture and how much slip I want for the product. And I got the slip right, but I'm trying to get the texture a little bit more firmer for my hair texture. So that's what I'm playing around with right now. But the moisture is out of this world. Like, I haven't put anything on my hair yet that gave me so much more moisture and slip for something that is supposed to kind of hold my hair. And like I said, this really held my hair really good. So I'm just going to work that in on this section, and then I'm going to style my hair. The way that my hair is currently in this video, that's the way that I styled my hair. Like I said before, I did have to tie my hair down and then sleep overnight with it. But, and also I put a DIY homemade kind of styling cream on the top of my hair after I got done putting this leave-in conditioner on my hair, or this leave-in product on my hair. I did go in with another product on top of this. So you guys stay tuned for that DIY. It's a whipped shea butter, so just stay tuned for that, and then the end result is still going to be the same. Okay, so see, it was really simple. My hair had so much slip. I did use my own cream leave-in conditioner. So this was more of a water liquid leave-in conditioner. I did make a homemade cream that I put on the top of that. And then this is the end result. So this is what it looks like. My hair is super hydrated and moisturized, and I absolutely love it. Once again, if you guys haven't seen how I make this, please go check out that video. It's really simple and easy. And if you guys like DIYs like this, please give me a thumbs up, leave comments down below, and please don't forget to subscribe. And let me know if you tried it out down in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.